Hello children, welcome back to your science class, and today we are going to discuss about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So if we talk about prokaryotes, they are a group of organisms that lack a cell nucleus or any other membrane bound organelles. They differ from eukaryotes which have a cell nucleus. Prokaryotes are single celled organisms such as bacteria. A eukaryote is an organism whose cells contain complex structures inside the membranes. The defining membrane-bound structure that sets eukaryotic cells apart from prokaryotic cell is nucleus. Here you can see the picture. Prokaryotes versus eukaryote. Ribosomes, yes, they are present in both. But membrane-bound organelles, you will see that they don't contain membrane-bound organelles. But both of them contain cell membrane, right? But no membrane-bound organelles in case of prokaryote. Pro rhymes with no. Wow, easy to understand, yes children? So prokaryotes do not have nucleus that houses its genetic material. Prokaryotic cells contains large DNA. The nucleoid region is protected and encased by the cell wall or cell membrane. So difference between chart is very important for prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are unicellular, eukaryotes are multicellular. Nucleus is poorly defined. Nucleus is well defined. Nucleolus is absent, nucleolus is present. Cell organelles such as plastid, mitochondria, Golgi bodies are absent. Cell organelles such as plastid, mitochondria, Golgi bodies are present. Bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotic cells. Fungi, plant and animal cells are eukaryotic. So this diagram is very important, which is related to prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay, so in case of prokaryotic, you can see that there is capsule, cell wall, flagellum. In case of eukaryotic, you can see endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane, Golgi body, etc. So this was about the explanation of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell.